And we know it can be a scary thing to go through, and that's why we're here for you. We want you guys to know that you can contact her on back, and she will help you as much as she can, or she'll contact the team and be like, hey, this person has this issue. What can we do? What can we help them do to get through it? And we also want to make sure it's something that you can stick to. Everybody can't stick to, I'm going to put $200 a week away.
Yeah.
It just doesn't work that way. $20 a week, possible.
Maybe you like to go to a fast food place like once a week and you only do it for fun. But do you really need it? Maybe you can use that money and put it in your savings. Like, it's those little things you try to think where money you can save and where you can put it away. It's all about around your schedule.
I'm a cash hoarder. If I have like $2, it doesn't matter if it's $2 or if it's $20, and I'm like, I don't really need that. You know, I may got it from a client or something, you know, paying cash, and I have an extra 20 handy in my hand, or an extra $2. It goes in a stash, because eventually that stash turns out to be, I think I have $100 right now stashed back from just throwing cash here and there. And I hide it. And we know it's really hard when you have a spouse or a loved one that is not a budgeter. And I know people who like to say, it's just money. You can make more. Those people, even if they're people that you love, don't listen to them. Because if you have a goal, you stick to that goal. You're going to have to be strong, because sometimes it's hard to be strong.
If you make more, you can definitely lose more.
That is very true. Very true.